Hi guys, with another video. As you see, different size of motor. This is I took from the vacuum. As you see, this is the one. This is another vacuum, smaller one, and this I took from, I think, a CD player. As you see, these are also another CD player. I got this, and this is two, and this is also CD from the CD player. Yeah, and then this is the one. This motor is for the window opener from BMW, from the BMW car, as you see. And another one, really, I'm trying to remember. Let me remember. This I took, really, I forgot, as you see. This is another motor. This is the, yeah, I took somewhere, but I don't remember. This is another one. Oh, this is, I think, hold on a minute. This is, okay. This is from the drill, old one. Yeah, I took from there. This is the one. And maybe also, oh no, this is not the drill motor. Anyway, as you see, how many motor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 different size of motor. I like to check it in, and I look inside, and yeah, I just wanna make a video and show you guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.